Hello, Peter. I just got this working, so let me show you quickly. I think I can show you pretty quickly how to do this, or I got this on my iPhone here. So go into your app store. All right, make sure you've downloaded the Citrix SSO. That's the newest one, okay? Not this one, this one. Okay, so download that. Now previously, I tried to tell you this morning, I had this, but download this, Citrix SSO. Once you download that, it'll come up and it'll look like this. Where's it right there? Sorry about this. Right there. And then you're going to want to open it up. Okay. And when you open it, right, then you'll have to go and follow these instructions. This is kind of the instructions for it. So you'll put this here, add that in there just like it's seen. And then here you can just type VPN. Then use your hanway ID. Okay? And when you use your hanway ID, you can turn it on. After you add all that, you turn it on like this, and then you put your hanway ID. So my hanway ID is Adam, and then I put my hanway password here. So once again, download that app, Citrix SSO, and then get this, put it in here like this. So you just do this one, and then your hanway ID. Then you have to turn it on, switch it on here, and then you add your password for hanway, and that works on the iPhone, or it should work on your iPad.